This is Doreen Velin. I'm going to show you a real quick little hack. It's something that I've had to learn because I've never did practice it before. So I'm going to just show you today. So stick with me. Just a quick hack for to help you out with your art. A lot of pictures that I do, and maybe you do, is we like to put a bit of little specks in the pictures, dots, little specks. Whether it's from a sea foam, we want to put like little sea foam specks on the water. Whether it's just like a finishing, some people put it on top of their pictures just to kind of give it a little bit of character, a little bit of depth. Whatever the reason is we do it. We go to do it and their picture's all finished and we think, oh, I'll just put a couple specks on it, and we muck it up. You know why? Because they don't turn out like dots, they turn out like lines. And I've had that happen so many times. And then I don't have my background color to correct it. So I want you to sit down, just a piece of paper. This is just those Bristol boards from the dollar store. And I've got this brush. I've got a fan brush. I've got a real scruffy, crappy old brush. And I got a pretty well straight edge, quite a firm brush. Let's try all of them and see what kind of speckle. Now what I want to get, the secret is dots. I don't want lines, I want dots. Now, there's another little secret. If you go with your wrist, you're going to get more lines. Don't go with your wrist. Try to go from your shoulder and your arm and go like this and flick it from your elbow. I'll show you why. So we're going to try this one first. Put my paint on my brush, only on my tip of my brush, and put my brush like this into the paint. And I go from the shoulder, my arm, oh sorry, and flick. Now, see these lines? I don't want those lines because, oh, I got some hair. But I don't want the lines. I'm trying to get this flicky thing. So see how farther away is better? So if I'm using this big brush, I might want to put my painting down here. Maybe I'm doing it too hard. Oh, there I go. So just practice. Now I'm getting better. So on using the ferrule against my finger seems to work better. I'm getting more dots. Okay, let's try another brush. See which one's better. And I'm experimenting along with you. So I've never done this before myself. And I want to know how to do this because it bugs me when I go to a painting and I never get it right. Okay, so let's try this one now. Let's try it this way in the ferrule. Ooh, I like this better. Look at that. Look at those dots. Now that's really what you want, eh? Look at, there's different sizes, big ones, small ones. Now that is a scruffy brush. I'll clean it off and show you. I like that brush. This is good. Oh, I want to tell you about something. I had a comment from one of you guys, and I just love it. It says, is that a doggy, a doggy pee pad? Yes, they are. They're doggy pee pads, and they are great. Especially when you're doing, say, pores, and you're kind of going like this, and you've got all this paint. You don't want to put it onto your nice plastic. These pee pads are awesome. You can get them in different sizes. I get them from the dollar store, but they're great. And I use just over and over. They take a lot of paint because they get a lot of pee, I guess. So I guess they have to take a lot of paint. So they work great. Yes, they are pee pads, folks. And thank you for asking that question. So this is a real scruffy one here. Hope you can see that. Okay, so this is the scruffy thing, and I think it's working. So far, this is the best. Okay, now I'm going to try a fan brush. I always wonder about a fan brush. What would it do? Again, I'm loading it this way on my paint, not down deep, just on the tip of the paint, like that. Okay, now let's try this one. I should turn it over just to see. Oh, look at that, you guys. That is perfect. Now, I like that. There's no lines, no little, I got small dots, I got big dots. Now, I'll tell you what I did with this one. I loaded the brush with paint. I dipped it down into the paint. Let's get the paint here so you can see. This is the best one. So, okay, I got my gob of paint. I went straight down like this. I just covered it all like that, because they're rounded, right? So I have to cover it like that. I didn't take any off. I left all that paint on. Let's try it again. On the ferrule. Look at that. Oh, that's it. Look at that. That's what I wanted. Nice little small, some little. That is absolutely awesome. That's awesome. I love it. There is an artist in our city called Alex Fong, if you want to look him up, F-O-N-G. He's a watercolor painter, and I love his work. And he has a little signature, and his signature is dots. After he's finished, he does color spots on the top of his pictures. They're very unique. And you think, gee, that'd be easy to do, but you can't do it because that's his signature. But, you know, that's the kind of thing I'm thinking about. Is a lot of times I'll do a flower and I want to put some little spots on it. Now you know the hack. This is great. Thank you for joining me. I love it. Thanks. Have a great day, you guys. And have that cup of tea. Thanks. Bye-bye. So thanks for joining me for this little hack today. And please comment and let me know if you found a brush or if this even little fan brush works for you. This is that scruffy brush. So let me know if you have good luck with this little hack. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks. Enjoy that cup of tea. Thanks.